All right, good evening, everybody. So my report was in the package. I'm just going to hit some highlights for you this evening. So under our culture of patient safety and quality of care, we continued our work on our new MRI. So the crane arrived on September 23rd and installed that, so that's exciting. And we should have that new MRI at the Olette campus operational the week of November the 11th. We also are into the construction for our expanded cath lab at the Olette site. So this is very exciting. We've been waiting for this for many, many years, and we'll look forward to finally having 2 cath lab tables to serve our community in the near future. Not only will this help us to shorten our wait list for procedures, but also will allow for expansion of the number and type of procedures that we're performing. We also had our 5th annual Sail into Summer event, and that raised over $52,000, and those proceeds are going to help us purchase a new state-of-the-art Da Vinci robotic surgical system for Windsor Regional. So the Da Vinci is a robotic surgical system that uses a minimally invasive surgical approach, and that reduces recovery time and increases the number of surgeries that are performed in our hospital for the community. So that's great news, and thanks to that fundraiser. I do want to highlight this month the work of our and availability of our employee wellness programs. So our Windsor Regional Hospital Wellness Program offers activities and programs for all employees, professional staff, and also their immediate household family members for all employees. This wellness program has been designed to have something for everyone and focuses on the 5 dimensions of wellness: physical, emotional, intellectual, spiritual, and social. And activities include exercise, cooking classes, community volunteer activities, golf lessons, boat cruises, community festivals, and much more. And many of our employees and professional staff participate with their families and friends each month. In addition, our Employee Assistance Program and our Wellness Portal app offers staff 24/7 confidential access to health and wellness resources, fitness and nutrition, financial wellness, home and living, and many other resources. And last but not least, with regards to the work that our human resources team is doing, we've had many active booths over the last number of months at job fairs across the province, looking to recruit some of our hardest to find disciplines. So great job to the health records, human resources team. This month we also saw the launch of our new collaboration with the Windsor Police Department, Hiatus House, and Family Services Windsor Essex, providing immediate real-time support to victims of intimate partner violence. Through this new partnership, the Windsor Police will work with all 3 community partners to ensure victims are connected with a social worker on site immediately following an incident. And this intervention is pivotal in guiding victims towards safety and recovery. Over the next 3 months, the pilot will run 3 days per week from 3 to 11, increasing to 5 days a week by the end of this month. Victims will also have access to 24/7 virtual support services through Hiatus House, and the expanded service model is drawing on cross-sectoral collaboration such as the nurse police team, the crisis response team, both of which have been proven effective in similar contexts. So we're very excited to be offering that service to the community. You'll have seen likely in the news the Soltz Family Foundation making history with a historic gift of $15 million to purchase technology and equipment for the new hospital. That gift will be critical in funding equipment and technologies for the new Windsor Essex Acute Care Hospital, and will be the most significant healthcare transformation in Windsor Essex history. In recognition of that gift, the Family Birthing Pediatric Care Center, as well as the Pediatric Emergency Zone, located within the Emergency Department, will be named after the Soltz Family Foundation. We also had a visit that same day from Premier Doug Ford, who attended the ceremony, to thank the Soltz family for their contribution to the project. While there, the Premier reinforced his support for advancing the hospital project, adding he would like to go as quickly as possible, cut out all the bureaucracy, and get the shovels in the ground. So we're looking forward in the near future to getting more information on that. In addition, to support engagement with our Indigenous communities in this next stage and to ensure the design is culturally safe and a welcoming space for our Indigenous patients and visitors, the Project Management Office team is pleased to welcome Audrey Logan. Audrey is an experienced leader in Indigenous health and brings a wealth of experience to the new role. Prior to her recent work as Director of Health Equity and Indigenous Populations at Ontario Health, Audrey worked at Windsor Regional Hospital for 11 years in various roles supporting Indigenous patients and families. So we're very excited to have Audrey back on our team. And that is the highlights from my report. I'm happy to take any questions.
Any questions from here?
Great, got off easy.
Yeah.